Come do these spooky black cat Halloween nails with me. As you can see, I've started off by applying a base coat to each of my nails. Next up, I'm going to take black and I'm going to apply that to each one of my nails except for my ring fingernail, which is going to be a neutral color. Now I'm taking a tiny detail brush and that same black polish, and I'm going to begin painting the cats. As you can see, I started off with a circle shape for the heads, and then I added the ears, with one of the faces being straight and the other face slightly ajar to make it look like the cat is peeking out from around the corner. Then I took white and a dotting tool to do the whites of the eyes and the nose, and then I just added black for the pupils. And now I'm going to seal that all in with a top coat.